So now let's see how we can work around with Xach Effect inside of GIMP. So for that, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, make a particular selection right here, just like this, and then go around onto filter, and then I'm going to go to light and shadows. And over here, you can see that Xach Effect is an option. So now what you can do is you can go around, choose a particular color for the Xach Effect and change around the highlight offset right here to the position I want. I can go around, change around the highlight opacity as you can see right here, and change around the drop shadow color to what I like as well, just like this. Then you can go around, change around the blur radius of the drop shadow right here, and keep the selection and press OK. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the Xach Effect that is applied, and this is the drop shadow that you have as well. You can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, outside. Let me just go around over here, and you can see that this is the Xach Effect that allows you to go around and pop out things. You can go around, make another selection right here, and then go to light and shadows, and then go to Xach Effect right here, change around the opacity level as you can see right here, and then let's say, for example, change around the highlight color to green right here, just like this. Press OK and press OK right here, and you can see that that is the Xach Effect. You can change around the opacity over here of the effect as well. So let's just go around over here on the top. On the highlight, you can change around the opacity, and that is the Xach Effect as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and add in Xach Effect and make sure it pops out from the picture right here in sections as you can see, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.